Here are the 7 fastest birds in the world, and number 1 is the fastest animal on Earth. 7. Gray-headed albatross, 127 kilometers per hour. Ocean glider with a massive 2-meter wingspan. 6. Spur-winged goose, 142 kilometers per hour, Africa's speed surprise during migration. 5. Frigate bird, 153 kilometers per hour, soars for hours without flapping. 4. Eurasian hobby, 160 kilometers per hour, small, agile hunter of dragonflies and birds. 3. Gerfalcon, 209 kilometers per hour, Arctic predator diving for prey. Second golden eagle, 320 kilometers per hour, powerful raptor taking down big prey. 1. Peregrine falcon, 389 kilometers per hour, the fastest animal alive, diving like a missile. Which of these birds would you like to be for a day?